Welcome to Jonty IN. Today I am going to show you how to remove watermarks from a video on OpenShot Video Editor. So let's get set go. Now click on Files on the top left on your screen, then click on Import Files. Choose the video file you want to edit. I got one selected over here. Now you can see the BANDICAM watermark is there on the top of the video. Let's remove that watermark. In order to remove that, all you need to do is click on the video, then select Transform.
Have you seen those blue dots? Those blue dots can be used to move the video. By adjusting those dots, any watermark can be removed.
As you can see by some stretch now, the watermark is gone. Now, we are done with editing. Let's export the video. Click on the red button. Now name your video, choose the location where you want to save the video, video quality and video resolution. Then click on Export Video. OpenShot Video Editor is exporting your video. This will take some time, depends on the performance of your computer. Usually takes 37 seconds for 720p videos. Takes 1 minute for 1080p videos, 3 to 5 minutes for 4K videos. Now see the difference between these two videos. On the first video, the watermark is 100% visible. But on the second video, the watermark is gone. So this is how all the watermarks can be removed from video. I hope this video was useful. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. On my next video I will cover Pro Edit, Noob Level, add picture into videos, make fake motion pictures, and the magic transition.